Hi students, welcome back to Narayana's amazing assignment classes. Today's class is for class 5 and assignment 10. We'll read the topic here. The topic is from plant reproduction and agriculture from Sadhana workbook, lab activity page number 10 and 11. Here the task is given. The following statements describe an activity, read them and answer the given questions. Some points are given. These statements describe one activity. Well, first we read them and we'll go into the task. First one, take 4 beakers and name them plate 1, plate 2, plate 3 and plate 4. If you take 4 beakers or any bowls or any plates and put them aside by naming them as plate 1, plate 2, plate 3 and plate 4. And now put some gram seeds on wet cotton wool in plate 1 and place it near the open window. Take some wool or cotton wool, put some gram seeds on it and wet the cotton and place it in that plate 1 and place it near the wool, near the window. I mean to say take the plate near the window. Now put some gram seeds on dry cotton wool in plate 2 and place it near an open window. In the first one we are taking what? We are taking one wet cotton wool. In the second one we are taking what? Dry cotton wool. In both the plates we have placed some green grams and we are putting them near the window. Now fourth point, put some gram seeds on again wet cotton wool in plate 3 and keep it in a refrigerator. We are placing it in the refrigerator. Okay. In this, put some gram seeds on wet cotton wool. Again, we have taken some wet cotton wool and cover with airtight. We are covering it with airtight lid. The plate 4 is covered with airtight lid and it is placed near an open window. If we see the first plate has cotton, which is wet cotton in open condition near a window. Second one is having dry cotton and again it is placed near a window. Third one having wet cotton placed in a refrigerator. Fourth plate is having wet cotton but closed with a airtight lid and placed near a window. So this is the conditions. These are the 4 points described here. What are these 4? What is the activity we are going to talk here about? We are going to discuss about the stages of germination, or can we say that these are the conditions required for germination. So the activity here describes the conditions necessary for germination of seed. Okay. The activity describes the factors, or we can call it as conditions. Conditions required for seed germination. So we have gone through the procedure. What we have to do, by reading the procedure, by observing the procedure, we will fill up this box. So put a tick mark against the plate which is supplied with each factor. 4 plates are given there, in which some plates are receiving air, some plates have water, some plates have warmth, and some plates have all the 3. What are that? Let us see. In the plate 1, what we have done, we have taken a wet cotton wool. It means water is provided to it. We are not covering it, nor we are closing it in any box. It is placed near a window. It means that it is receiving air. As we are placing near a window, sunlight will reach, so it is receiving the warmth. Okay, this is what plate 1 is receiving. Now plate 2, we are taking a dry cotton wool. We are taking some dry cotton wool. It means that water is not provided to it. We are placing it near a window, it means it is receiving air as well as warmth. Plate 3, it is having wet cotton wool and placed in a refrigerator. It means it is receiving water. Yes, it is not receiving air as well as warmth. It is closed in a refrigerator. Okay, moisture is present, but there is no air and sunlight or any other warmth. So coming to plate 4. Plate 4 is having wet cotton. Yes, but we see it is covered with an airtight plate. It means that it is not receiving air. We are placing it in near the open window, means sunlight is receiving, warmth is receiving. So these are the different factors or different conditions under which the plates are kept. The first plate is receiving air, water and warmth. Second plate is receiving air and warmth. Third plate is receiving only water. Fourth plate is receiving water and warmth. Okay. So these are the different conditions at which these 4 plates are kept. Moving on to the next one. What's happening here in the 5th one? In the 3rd one, choose the correct answer. Read. Which plate is receiving all the factors of germination? Plate 1, plate 2 and plate 3 and plate 4. If we observe, plate 1 is receiving all the factors. So our option is A. Okay. And going to the second one, which plate seeds get germinated? As all the factors are received by the plate 1, obviously we know that plate 1 can germinate. The seeds present in plate 1 can be germinated. So again the option is A. So we have observed something here, that plates have received some conditions in which seeds are also germinated. So what do we conclude with this activity? What is our observation and what we are going to conclude here? We are going to conclude that air, water and warmth are necessary for germination of seed. So these are the conditions for the germination of seed. We can write that we conclude that air, water and warmth are essential conditions for germination of seeds. Okay children, so we have understood that these are the 3 important factors or conditions for the germination of seeds. Okay, thank you and we'll meet again. Until then, stay safe at your home. Thank you.